Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to reset iOS 18 Photos app. So with the iOS 18 Photos app comes more features which allows you to hide some, display trip, featured photos, and so many other features including wallpaper suggestions. So here, if some of these features are missing on your iPhone Photos app and now you want to bring back the iPhone Photos app back to the factory default, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this without resetting your iPhone or formatting your iPhone. So if you don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to reset iOS 18 Photos app on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Photos app. Then scroll down the page, just keep scrolling the page, keep scrolling until you get to the bottom. Then locate Customize and Reorder, click on that. Then here, you should see the reset at the top left. Now, to reset the Photos app on your iOS 18, just locate the reset button at the top left and then click on it. Mark you, before you click on it, if you have any of these menu hidden on the Photos app, then you have it like this, and you go ahead and click on the reset button. This is going to bring back all the unchecked buttons back to the Photos app on your iPhone run on latest iOS 18. So reset, then hit the back button. Now, advisably, just close the Photos app and then reopen it again. Then once you reopen it again, you should see all the features we added to the Photos app, including featured photos, wallpaper suggestions, shared albums, trips, memory, pin collections, and then the rest of them. However, if you want to reset this iOS 18 Photos app to your iOS 17 variant, all you just need to do is scroll down the bottom as well, click on Customize and Reorder, and uncheck everything except for media type and utilities. So once you have media type and utilities, close this page, and then should have this reset back to the iOS 17 model. But basically, if you come back again, click on Reset, it's going to reset the iOS 18 Photos app back to default. So that is basically how to reset iOS 18 Photos app back to default on your iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.